and it smells really good. I feel like licking it just to see if it will taste good. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So how are you doing today? So to start with, I want to do the unboxing of like the Boxycharm and also a Tryon. And this is a subscription that I have for how many months now. I'm gonna show you guys what I get for the June box. It costs $21 plus tax to get the subscription, but the items that you get does come like with 4 to 5 products every month, so everything will be a total of at least $100 and up. $21 that you pay and you get $100 worth of products. That's amazing, isn't it? Anyway, let's start. I got this one, no pore problem, and this is what it looks like. I already put it on my face. I thought it was like oil, but it actually wasn't. It looks like the water. It's like, it feels like there's like a little bit of oil in it, but at the same time it's mostly, it feels like water, like a water moisturizer. But this is a primer, so it really feels good with the face because I just tried it on. So let me just finish up my face and start from there. We're gonna use this. I got this on the box as well. So how pretty it is. And Tarte is a high-end brand, so I'm happy with that. This itself actually really like pays for it for the whole box, because the box is like $21. So pretty. So basically it has blush, a highlight, and also a bronzer. So I'm gonna use the bronzer first. So I like to use my bronzer as my contour as well, but I like to use the matte because this one is actually shimmery. Contour my nose, so we're just gonna use, well, I'm just gonna use my finger. I wish this is like a little more darker because I am actually pretty dark, so I think if this is a little bit darker than this, it would have been perfect for like an easy contour. But this is actually bronzer, so I can't, you know, I can't complain about that. Alright. Now I'm just gonna combine the blush, this side and that side. Ooh, I think I put too much. I didn't put too much, but okay, there. Okay, so the blush is actually buildable. It's buildable, so that's good. And just start with small and then build it up. Sometimes that's better when you put a little bit. So this is like pinkish right here, and this is like brownish right here. So we're gonna use this. Ooh, I like that. Can you see it in the camera? So I'm using the brush Morphe Y11. That's the brush I'm using right now. I think I got this at the subscription. So awesome. Now I'm gonna use my lipstick, and then we're gonna put the gloss that I got. I don't know why I did this already. I should have done my eyes first. Ooh, this smells good. So this gloss doesn't really have, it doesn't really have a color. Kind of swipe that. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see that. There you go. So it's like a nude peach, and it smells really good. I feel like licking it just to see if it will taste good. Let's try it. Nope. Actually, I think I kind of taste it like it's a little sweet, but alright, so let me finish up with my eyes and then I'll be right back. I want to use this one right here and see how good that is. Highlighted. It's really blinding. Well, not as blinding as the Jervy Star, but hey, it's blinding enough for me. Okay. Not mad about that. I'm gonna use this one for the inner corner. Final touch up. I'm back, so let me show you the rest that I got. So this is right here. So this is basically a whipped cleansing cream. So if you use it, it actually also gently removes makeup. And I also got 3 masks of Haru Haru Wonder Monkey Berry Antioxidant Mask. So anti-wrinkle and brightening dual function. That's all I got from the Boxycharm. So like I said, I got this 3 mask. I got this lip gloss from Dominique Cosmetics. She is also a beauty guru and she already got her own makeup line. The Skin and Company, the no pore problem right there, and also the Tarteist Pro Glow. So everything actually ends up, I think, at like 110 or somewhere close to that. So I got the subscription, and so far I always love it. So there's always like that one item that I don't have in my collection that, you know, that has that price, because you know me, I'm not with the high ends. I rather have the dupes in, you know, the drugstore, because for me, being a mom, I want to have a lot of makeup, but at the same time I don't want to spend that much into it, you know. So it's being more practical if I can find something that's almost the same in the drugstore and a cheaper price than buying, you know, the expensive one. So anyways, with that being said, like I think this subscription is awesome, not just for this month, but so far every month I've been loving every boxes that I've been getting. So I'm thinking I'm always gonna do like a subscription box, you know, so you can see what I get every month, just so I can show you guys if I like it or not as well. So I'm gonna update about this mask and also the cleanser later on the description. So if you want to know how I like it, just read the description later on after I uploaded this video. So I hope you like this video. If you do, please do like it, and well, hit the thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe if you liked it, and then hit the notification bell as well, so you can get notified the next time I uploaded a new video. Alright, Bessie, thank you so much for tuning in again in my channel. So see you again. Baboosh!